Ryan earns a base salary of $1,300 per month and a commission of 8% on his sales. 1 month, Ryan received $1,820. Find the amount of sales for the month. Okay, so what we want to do is bring in some algebra here, some variables. So his base salary is $1,300. So if you're just thinking he's going to $1,300 plus commission, and that's going to be 8% of his sales. Okay, and that's going to equal his $1,820. So that's translating the sentence into a math equation, and this would be total sales. Okay, so let's just review that, see if it makes sense. He gets $1,300 and then literally 8% on the amount of sales, 8% of his sales, and total paycheck $1,820. Okay, so that looks good. So now that we have the equation set up, we can just solve it. It's a linear equation. I'm going to subtract 1,300 from both sides, and that's going to give me 0.08. Remember, 8% as a decimal, 0.08. That should be 520. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 0.08 to see what his sales are. And if I do that, 520 divided by 0.08, $6,500. And then you can always kind of check your work. Does that make sense? Back to the question, 8% of the sales. So 8% of the sales, am I right? What's 8% of $6,500? 0.08 times 6,500. He earned $520, right? That's his commission, 520. So it doesn't make sense that the 520 would be that, right? 520 plus his 1,300 would give him the 1,820.